Welcome to Art of Writing, Handwriting. Let us see how to improve our handwriting skills, Part 1. In this tutorial, you're going to see the basics, the beginning steps towards writing. Art and writing go hand in hand. For this, we're going to need an A4 size paper, a pencil, and an eraser. As an adult, you could help your children do this folding. I have just folded the A4 size paper into two first and then press, fold once again so that you get a rectangle. Why we are doing this is two things. One, it gives a border for the children to practice by the fold itself, and also you don't need to waste the whole A4 size paper, and it gives a smaller place for the children to practice, which gives them a feeling that easier to work on. This is the way to hold a pencil. You use your index finger, your thumb finger, and your mid finger. All these three fingers placed like this, and you hold a pencil. And you start drawing lines, slant lines, because handwriting is basically about the slant, the size, and the height of the alphabet or the word which we write. Handwriting is all about strength, motor skills, and your visual memory. So to begin with, children can easily practice drawing strokes, a slanting line or a standing line or a sleeping line, as they are called technically when your child goes to school. This can be done easily at home as well. Start drawing lines across the sheet. A rough line initially, which will lead them, the more they practice, the more they get used to it. This is a standing line. It's not straight. They will get used to and they will learn it. Now if you feel the size of the paper is a bit bigger, you can do multiple folds. I'm going to do another fold so that gives a smaller place for them to work on. This is their piece of art. Art helps in improving your handwriting. So keep drawing straight lines, slanting lines both ways, left slant and right slant, and zigzag lines, which I will let you know in the next tutorial. Small and steady strokes will help them know their spatial aspect, the ratio, and how to draw the lines. This is Art of Writing, Handwriting. Keep watching this space for more videos on handwriting. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye.